Look it over again. You already know the nigga Skip, you already know Big H's, you feel me? Homie love, you feel me? My nigga Twink in here, you already know what we do, you feel me?
You're so fresh.
Yo, my clips on the way, I'm sicker than AIDS. Nothing cutting niggas' heads, I'm giving them fades. You halfway in the door, you my welcome back. Quit shows at Quiznos, you might sell some rap. And I stay on the track, my deans relax. I tell them niggas in the fitted skated jeans relax. Now how I mean is that my hand leaves my lap. You would think I'm that nigga, damn the demon's back. The homie get paid, I do my niggas right. I'ma do it like I don't care who them niggas like. Tell us who they resemble, who them niggas is like. Cause losing them, I lose a foolish nigga's life. I could give a fuck about what you do. I stay on tracks like trains, I should go choo-choo. You don't put a track down, tell me run with that. I check hooks like Brian Westbrook and run them back. Thanks.
Yo. Okay. Put it in the building if you need to hear, man.